Today we're going to learn how to draw a dog. And how we start most of our projects is we try to draw a big circle. This is going to be for our dog's body. And then we're going to draw 4 legs. A dog has 4 legs. And on the back he has a tail. Draw a little tail on the back side. Now we need to draw his head. His head is a smaller circle. It's smaller than the body. And then even smaller are 2 ears that go up on top. We're going to draw 2 eyeballs like we always draw. Put the little pupils in there. And then kind of a good sized nose because the dog has a big nose. And of course my dog's happy, so we got a little smile in there. Okay, so that is my dog. You can color your dog any colors you want. I'm going to put some grass underneath. And then I'm going to speed up my drawing because you don't need to sit here and watch me color, but you can slow it down if you want. I am going to go super fast and color my dog. I decided I'm going to color my dog kind of a pinkish rose color. And maybe each of the paws are going to be different colors because I love colorful drawings. And you can color the tail a different color and the head a different color. Look at, I'm making my dog's head have yellow head with an orange ear and a blue ear. Now I'll make a little sun, and maybe we could draw a little tree. Let's see. So we start with 2 lines, and then we color that all in. There's our tree trunk, and then we draw big green on top and shade it all in for leaves because spring is coming and we're going to have lots of leaves on our trees. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to use crayons. Last time I used markers. I'm using a purple crayon. And I'm going to draw this quickly. Again, I sped up the film just so you get the idea that you could draw a dog any way you want. I'm just coloring it in purple. You can use whatever colors you want. I'm going to put in a little grass because I always like grass. I'm going to write the word dog, D-O-G, on my paper. Maybe you could try to spell dog. I put a capital D-O-G. Now I'm going to put a few flowers because dogs are outside and they like to smell flowers, and you know, whatever you want, just make it look fun. I'm going to draw another dog. Okay, this dog I drew just sticks for legs, and now when I color him in, I'm going to color him like a rainbow. Purple, blue, green, yellow, red. Oh, yellow, orange, red. And then I'm going to draw a tree. You can do whatever you want. Have a lot of fun with this. Be as creative as you want. Thank you so much for drawing a dog with me today.